I was talking to a friend of mine today, and he was saying about when you look online on eBay for drones, a lot of them are being sold because people don't use them enough. So if you're one of those people who doesn't get a chance to use your drone as often as you like, you might have come back to it after a long period of time, put the battery in the drone and realised that it's actually sat at about 20%, 30%, even though you know you left it at a higher percentage than that. Well, where does all that power go? Well, there are two reasons for that. Firstly, self-discharge. And secondly, they're programmed to do it. And it's the second one I'm most interested in today because I never realised that was the case. But yeah, DJI batteries are programmed to auto-discharge over a period of time. Firstly, let's talk briefly about self-discharge. Any battery discharges itself over time. The state of charge will drop gradually. Just the chemistry and stuff in a battery will cause it to drop over a period of time. In the case of a lithium polymer battery, like you'll find in most drones, that could be up to 5% a month. So if you're leaving your drone just stored away for 4 months, then you've immediately got 20% of that battery gone, even though you've done absolutely nothing with it. Secondly, is the auto discharge feature. Now this varies depending on which model you have. And of course, if you're not using a DJI drone, I don't know how other manufacturers employ this, but if you are using DJI, which I think most people are, some drones you can program the levels it kind of drops to. Others, like this one, which is mine, which is the Mini 3, you can't set the levels, but after 3 days, this will drop from 100% to 96% automatically. It will auto discharge. It'll do it itself. You've immediately lost that power. So even if you charge it up to 100%, if you don't use that battery straight away for a project or for the flying on that day, when you come back to it next, it's going to be down no matter what happens. But after 9 days, this will discharge to 60%, and it'll actually generate a bit of heat while it's doing this. It is an automatic programmed thing that it does. So no matter what you do, if you put your drone away and don't come back to it for 2 weeks, the batteries that you nicely charged up to 90% or 80% or whatever you want to charge your batteries to, ready for the next time you want to fly, well, they're not going to be at that when you get to them, because if you're leaving them for a month or two, they're probably going to be down at something like 30, 40%. And that's what I found today. I went to, I just don't have opportunity to fly this thing very often, but it was a beautiful evening. So, let's get another picture of a lovely sunset again, because there aren't enough of those around, are there? So this one will be better than the last one, I promise. But it didn't work out anyway, because I put the batteries in it and then had 5 minutes to go until the sun was setting, and couldn't use it because it was down at something like 20%. I didn't want to take it up at 20%, and I didn't have time to get any power into it. And by that point, the sunset had gone. Serves me right. But there you go. If you didn't know, self-discharge, but most importantly, auto self-discharge. If you're finding your batteries have died over time, they're meant to.